You wouldn't want a nosy neighbor peeking in your life, would you? You wouldn't want a stranger to peek using your security cameras either. Hey there, I'm Nick, an Asurion expert, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to protect your smart camera from hackers, so you can keep using your smart cameras to keep an eye on your pets, kids, and excessive package deliveries, all while keeping your loved ones and data safe. Smart camera security starts with a strong password. I know. It's so convenient to use that same old password using your childhood pet's name. RIP Fluffy. But here's why you shouldn't. If that password is compromised in a data breach, a hacker has all the information they need to access your smart devices and every other account using that password. If your camera came with the default password, change it immediately. And use strong passwords on everything you can. Wi-Fi, email accounts, their website you do online shopping on every other year. Everything. A long, unique, complex password that uses a combo of letters, numbers, and symbols is a great defense against hackers. And try and make each password different in the different places you have one. And if you're worried about remembering all those passwords, a password manager can help you keep track of them and even help you generate new ones if you need ideas. If you have any kind of password-protected account, you've probably heard of two-factor authentication. It's an extra measure of security that confirms the identity of the account user. When you enter your password, say, in your Nest account, you'll be sent a one-time use code to a trusted device or account. Entering that code confirms it's really you and lets you into your account. Check to see if this feature is available. And if it is, look in your security settings of your smart camera and make sure it's turned on. Your Wi-Fi network is the heart of your smart home. Securing your network may be the most important step in keeping hackers out. Make sure your network uses a strong encryption method, such as WPA2, and it's password protected. You'll want to change the default name and password that comes with your router. Make that password long, unique, and complex. And change it regularly. Whether you use a Ring, Nest, Arlo, or any other type of camera connected to Wi-Fi, there are a few best practices to keep in mind. Make sure to update firmware and apps to have the most up-to-date security on your device. You can also disable unnecessary features or services on your smart camera that you don't use, like remote access. You'll also want to check your smart camera app to see if WPA2 encryption is supported. This encrypts your video feed, making it harder for hackers to hack. And if you have the option, record video footage locally instead of in the cloud. This would not only potentially save you a subscription fee, but it also keeps your footage in a secure place for your eyes only. Frequently monitoring your smart camera's activity can help you detect suspicious behavior. Some cameras provide activity logs or alerts that can notify you of any unauthorized access or unusual activity. If you are locked out of your account, your password no longer works, or your camera light is blinking when an authorized user is not attempting to access, your camera may be compromised. With a few easy extra measures, your smart cameras can be a reliable source of security and peace of mind. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.